The cryptosphere is rife with acronyms, slang, and technical language. Here is everything you need to know to participate in the discussion. If you've ever wondered, what exactly is a rug pull? You're not the only one who finds acronyms like NGMI, IYKYK, and BTD confusing. Keep watching the full video, as in today's video, we have rounded up some of the most common and bizarre crypto slang terms to help you keep up. At Finance Doc, we will be sharing more explanation videos related to cryptocurrencies, trading, forex, and many more. So, watch this video till the end and hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. So, let's begin the video. Popular crypto slang terms. Ape. When someone purchases a token or NFT soon after it opens without first carrying out adequate research, this is known as aping. Bag holder. A bag holder is someone who holds on to their possessions despite a steady decline in their worth. They may continue to keep their investment even when an asset's worth virtually disappears, typically in the anticipation that its price would soon increase, or simply out of fear of losing. Bitcoin maximalist. Bitcoin maximalists, as its name suggests, think that Bitcoin is the only cryptocurrency with real value and the only digital asset that is worthwhile to support. BTD. BTD is a term that encourages purchasing an asset at a discount from its market value. The phrase "buy the dip" is represented by the acronym, which means to take advantage of the chance to purchase additional cryptocurrency at a lower cost. The belief is that the price will eventually recover and probably appreciate. Cryptojacking. In a form of cybercrime known as cryptojacking, a hacker uses the processing resources of an unwitting victim to covertly mine Bitcoin on the hacker's behalf. Cryptojacking, also known as malicious cryptomining, emerged as a significant issue in 2017 when the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies rose. Cryptosis. The term cryptosis describes someone who is obsessed with cryptocurrency and tries to learn everything there is to know about it. Diamond hands or paper hands. The expressions diamond hands and paper hands are used to indicate traders' willingness to take risks. No matter the state of the market, a trader with diamond hands will hang in there until the very last second. The phrase denotes a strong desire for danger. Diamond-handed traders wait until their tokens have realized their full potential in their eyes before caving and selling them. A trader with paper hands, on the other hand, will sell their position as soon as things start to go south. They essentially panic sell. For high volatility tokens, traders with paper hands often have a limited risk tolerance and tend to close their positions early in order to avoid losses. While the trading mentality of diamond hands is frequently observed in long-term market players, paper hands is more noticeable among swing traders and day traders. DYOR. Do your own research, or DYOR, is the acronym. It's frequently used in the crypto world to urge investors to research a project before investing. Flippening or flappening. In order to indicate a potential flip in the biggest cryptocurrency, the phrase flippening was created in 2017. It specifically refers to a hypothetical scenario in which Ethereum, ETH, surpasses Bitcoin, BTC, as the most valuable cryptocurrency overall, the total number of tokens in circulation multiplied by the value of one token. Charlie Lee invented the phrase "the related flappening" in 2018 to characterize Litecoin's, LTC, market capitalization victory against Bitcoin Cash's, BCH. FOMO. The acronym FOMO, which stands for fear of missing out, is the concern that a trader or investor may miss out on a lucrative opportunity. It was a significant factor in both Bitcoin's price's sharp spike and decline in 2017. This anxiety may cause people to act rashly and base investment choices on feelings rather than reason and logic. FOMO has a significant impact on Bitcoin values and significantly increases market volatility. Additionally, it may cause far bigger financial losses for investors. FUD. FUD, or fear, uncertainty, and doubt, is a marketing and communications buzzword. It is a psychological strategy used to persuade people to have a bad opinion of something, such as a service, industry, or brand, typically by spreading rumors or stirring up fear. In crypto, FUD usually falls into two categories: the intentional act of inciting widespread anxiety, apprehension, and skepticism about a specific project in order to influence pricing downward. General mistrust of cryptocurrencies as an asset class, which can lead to the dissemination of exaggeratedly negative or false news about the subject. Whether intentional or not, FUD can have an impact on the market value of a currency, a business, a project, and even an entire market. It can be compared to FOMO's antithesis. People may succumb to FOMO while the markets are soaring. When the markets are down, FUD might spread more quickly. If you are still watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe, as that motivates us to bring more videos like this for you. GM. GM stands for Good Morning, as a greeting. In the world of cryptocurrency, it's used to spread cheer, say hello to others, and foster community online. Particularly on Twitter, users frequently begin their days with a GM tweet, to which their followers frequently reciprocate with a GM tweet. HODL. The acronym HODL, which stands for Hold On for Dear Life, was really created by mistyping the word hold, which has persisted and now refers to keep. It alludes to the buy and hold tactic. As a result, a cryptocurrency trader who purchases a coin but has no immediate plans to sell it is referred to as a hodler of the coin. The first instance of the word was a misspelling that appeared in a 2013 online post to the Bitcoin Talk forum. Essentially, a hodler's objective is to ride out the market's ups and downs while keeping an eye on the long term. A hodler won't be swayed by short-term market fluctuations, not even if entire markets fall or experience extreme volatility. Instead, because they believe in the long-term worth of cryptocurrencies, hodlers will maintain their positions regardless of price. IYKYK. If you know, you know, or IYKYK, is an acronym. It suggests that only a small group of people will understand a post or message. The acronym can also be used humorously to criticize someone for disclosing information that is already well known. LFG. LFG stands for Let's FING Go, and is used to convey enthusiasm for a task. Moon or mooning. When a cryptocurrency is mooning, it signifies that its price is so sharply rising that it is metaphorically traveling to the moon. This term is used to characterize a cryptocurrency that is anticipated to have a significant upward market trend. Investors looking to time the best sale of their Bitcoin to receive the most price for it might utilize this event to help them. Examples of phrases you might stumble across include: Ethereum is going to the moon, the price of Ethereum is soaring. When moon? When is the best time to sell before prices start to fall? Prices are mooning, prices are going through the roof. Moonbois or moonboys are people who are too optimistic about a coin's potential. NGMI or Wagmi. Not going to make it is abbreviated as NGMI. When it comes to cryptocurrencies, it's frequently used to foretell future failure as a result of bad decisions, like selling a token at the bottom despite all indicators from the market that its value is rising. It can also be applied as a moniker to make fun of those who oppose cryptocurrency or don't grasp its fundamental ideas. "We're all going to make it," on the other hand, is the acronym for Wagmi. The crypto community frequently uses the acronym to promote positivity and confidence in a project. It is also used to inspire the neighborhood to stick together and never give up. No coiner. Someone who is extremely critical of cryptocurrency and thinks that cryptocurrencies have little to no value is referred to as a no coiner. Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and all other digital currencies are not held in the portfolios of no coiners, who believe that the cryptocurrency industry is doomed to failure. Normie. A traditionalist who knows little or nothing about cryptocurrencies. Pump and dump. Pump and dump schemes, a type of fraud, entail increasing the price of an asset artificially by false or deceptive positive information. Usually, a huge number of people will purchase a specific asset at a cheap price all at once, increasing the demand and price of the corresponding asset. The original group will then sell, dump, the assets to make a rapid profit, leaving those who bought later typically suffering significant losses. This sudden increase in price will then encourage others to step in and buy too. Wrecked. Wrecked, which stands for wrecked in cryptocurrency, refers to a trader who suffers a significant financial loss as a result of a poor trade or investment. Rug or rug pull. A rug pull is a particular kind of cryptocurrency scam in which a development team drops a project before it is finished, draining all assets and leaving investors with a worthless currency. The phrase "pulling the rug out from under someone" inspired its name. Scam victims often claim that they got toughened. Sats. The smallest unit of Bitcoin, BTC, known as Satoshis, is short for the enigmatic coin's creator, Satoshi Nakamoto. Cryptocurrencies may be broken into smaller pieces, just like fiat money. Therefore, it is useful to think about sats as cents to a dollar. Unlike dollars, which are divided into 100 cents, Bitcoins are divided into 100 million Satoshis. Shill. Shilling is the practice of promoting a certain coin to generate interest and persuade new investors to invest. Shillers may also include anyone who received compensation for promoting a particular coin or token. Vaporware. A blockchain or software project that is still in its conceptual stages and does not yet have a usable end result is referred to as vaporware. It's possible for a vaporware project to receive months or even years of promotion before going on sale. It might not even be developed in other circumstances. Weak hands. Someone who sells his cryptocurrencies at the first indication of declining prices is known as a weak hand. People with weak hands typically lack confidence in their tactics and are readily alarmed by unfavorable news or an asset's price movement. Whale. A whale is a person or organization that holds significant holdings of a particular cryptocurrency. The quantity of coins or tokens possessed must be substantial enough to have an effect on market pricing should holders decide to purchase or sell, even if there is no formal criterion for being deemed a whale. In essence, they have enough money to rig the market. A whale's trades may temporarily increase volatility due to the scale of their orders, particularly in assets with little liquidity. As a result, investors like to maintain tabs on the known industry whales to be ready for when they move. A whale trader who is pessimistic about the market and thinks prices will decline is referred to as a bear whale in this context. Winlumbo? Winlumbo, which is frequently spelled Winlumbo, is Italian for "when will you buy a Lamborghini?" It is employed humorously to make fun of those who are solely interested on a coin's cost. Many wealthy cryptocurrency investors used their Lamborghinis as a status symbol in the early days of the industry to demonstrate their success. After then, Lamborghinis were associated with the success of cryptocurrencies, and many members of the community would ask, when Lumbo, in reference to the time when a cryptocurrency investment would be sufficient to purchase a Lamborghini. Hope that the video has been able to make you familiar with the common crypto slangs. Share about it in the comment section below to let us know. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay fit in health and wealth.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.